In this recording, we'll show the power of our feature recognition option of Chamfer Recognition. Chamfer Recognition will take a part and recognize every single edge feature on the part itself, and will put an edge breaker on every single one of those edges. It'll know also to recognize where there is a chamfer already, so it does not have to put a chamfer breaker there, and do the same also on angled walls. Let's take a look how this works. We'll open up our chamfer recognition, and next we create our geometry. By clicking on New, you'll note that we have the dialog on the left-hand side. Now what I'd like to do is click on the part to recognize all the edges. But before that, I'd like to tell it, ignore floor wall angles less than whatever value is over here of 90 degrees. By that, any angle that is found, such as this chamfer over here, which is less than 90 degrees, it will not include that edge for the chamfer recognition. The same thing with this wall over here, since this is less than 90 degrees. We'll just click on the part, and you can see that every single edge has been recognized. You can see also the list over here on the side. And you can see that this edge over here was not recognized at all, as well as this edge over here. We'll just accept that. We'll add our tool. And if we go into our levels, in our chamfer depth, we'll put the value of the size of the chamfer we want. Let's say 0.2 millimeters. We'll just click on Save and Calculate. You can see the toolpath that has been created around the part. And if we run our simulation, you'll see that every single edge is having a chamfer put onto it. These are being ignored, as well as this. And also note that as it gets close to the actual edge over here, it is actually stopping just before this area so that the tool does not gouge the part. Now, let's delete this operation that we created, and we'll show you even an easier way to do this. If we go to our operation templates, if I have a template that's already defined for chamfer recognition, all I have to do is take it and drag it to the part. And it'll also create the operation without me having to even go into the chamfer recognition operation. Again, running my simulation, you can see that every single edge is being machined, just like before. And again, ignoring coming up to the edges over here, finishing the entire part without touching these edges over here, as well as this angle walled area over here.